My name is Adas Pathak, and my project is a missile. Would you like to appreciate me?
Sure.
This is a hypersonic missile, and hypersonic means the speed of this missile is 2 or 3 times more than the speed of the sound. And this is a 9-meter long missile, and the weight and the mass of this missile is approximately 1,500 kg, and it lifted in one time approximately 4,500 weight, and this is the target in one time approximately 500 goal, and starting से okay sir. And my missile name is Vijay, which is inspired by the Mahabharat character, which I think all of them know about the Surputra Karna, and which have a Dhanush, which name is Vijay Dhanush, and in front of this Dhanush no any type of Dhanush situated at that time, and that's why this in front of this missile no missile is stand, so this name is Vijay. And the range of this missile is the world highest range of this missile, and its range is 12,000 kilometer. And we all know about that the Russia has a most largest range missile, which is Saturn II, and which have range approximately 11,000 kilometer, and which have 12,000 kilometer. And the chemical product present inside this missile is uranium 235 and uranium 235 dynamite, and black powder containing sulfur and potassium nitrate, and also charcoal, and this is also contain krypton and barium, and this is the principle based on the atomic or nuclear fission, and approximately 35% part contained by the atomic and nuclear fission, and 65% part contained by the hydrogen combination and fission, because hydrogen bomb is the more dangerous as compared to atomic or nuclear bomb. So we are using this product, and this is the most expensive thing, and this is a sensor based, and if we target anything, then the nose cap have a contain a